Textron Aviation's Citation jets are the most popular business jets in the world, having been in production since 1972 with more than 8,000 aircraft produced so far. Many of these aircraft have plenty of valuable life left in them, mainly because business jets fly relatively little compared to airliners, and some owners aren't motivated to buy a new airplane, but would like to bring their jet up to modern standards. A company called CitationPartners in Wichita, Kansas is doing just that, offering to breathe new life into existing Citation Excels in a nose-to-tail refurbishment program called Citation Excel Eagle. The program involves an extensive refurbishment and upgrade and includes new Garmin G5000 avionics, fresh paint, and a completely new custom interior.
We've been around since about 2018. My dad and I basically formed it with Gary Hay, who worked with my dad for a long time at Cessna. Textron used aircraft had a lot of old XLs that had been traded in from NetJets. And we saw an opportunity to buy those airplanes, do a transformation with new avionics, new interior, new paint, and some other things, and sell those in the aftermarket. When we look for a new aircraft, we're looking for a good amount of time on the engines before an overhaul. We're looking for corrosion, and we're looking to see if there's any damage history on the airplane. As long as it's plenty of time left on the engines and there's no corrosion or damage history, that would make an acceptable aircraft for us.
The transformation is performed by Yingling Aviation and usually takes about 4 months. The company is putting the finishing touches on the aircraft here in the hangar, and also has another one stripped and in the process of receiving its Garmin G5000 avionics. The MRO does all of its work on site, including building harnesses for avionics installations, interior outfitting, and complete painting.
So when the customer brings in his airplane, we fly it with them. We squawk the airplane. Sure, most things are probably working properly, but you never know, and we will fix whatever needs to be fixed from that test flight. Once we're done with that, we completely strip the airplane, pull out the interior, pull out the avionics. We do a series of inspections. Anything that's not working or anything that we see that needs to be fixed, we'll contact the customer and work with him on those items. We put in a brand new interior that the customer specs out himself. We put on a brand new paint job that the customer specs out themselves. One of the other nice things about our program is we install some new parts that allows the customer to enroll in Textron Pro parts with no enrollment at a very nice hourly cost. And if the customer is already on Pro parts, it allows that customer to reduce his hourly costs based on what we do to the airplane. We chose Yingling for several reasons. First of all, they're right here in Wichita. They're right on the same airport with Textron, so any kind of support we might need, we're all together. Number two, Yingling's been a loyal Cessna partner for many, many years. And number three, they have a fantastic facility. They have great people. They do all the inspections, they can do all the work, and when we proposed the program to Yingling, they were very, very excited to work with us and to get the program going.
CitationPartners Eagle program offers a strong value proposition compared to purchasing Textron's latest Ascend model, which costs nearly $17 million and also features Garmin G5000 avionics.
Are you ready for a new airplane? Are you ready to pay that much money? Or if you still like your airplane, you bring it in and it's really $1.5 million to do our program, and you're getting what looks like a brand new airplane. One of the really good things about the transformation is VREF bumps up the value of the airplane by $1.9 million. And that makes the Eagle almost pay for itself.